how to add Favicon in Hostinger. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can add Favicon in Hostinger. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to add Favicon in Hostinger, what you have to do is first connect your Hostinger website to WordPress. Then open up the WordPress site website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign in to your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to click on Customize. Then click on General Settings. Over here, you have to click on Site Identity. Then on the left side of your screen, you have to click on Select Site icon. After that, select the favicon that you want to add. Then on the left side of your screen, click on Publish. So that's how you can add favicon to WordPress site. That's all for this video.